how much time you should give to learn English. I want to say that this is a never ending process, English learning or any kind of language learning. So if you want to learn any kind of language, you have to give minimum 2 to 4 hours in a day, at a first time. And that then when you will be able to speak in English, then you should give minimum 30 to 1 hour every day, because without giving time to learn any language, you never ever able to speak any language. You have to give time. So you must have give time. Without giving time, you can't do anything in your life. So giving time is the most important thing. So any kind of thing like a relationship, like learning, like achieving something, so give the time and achieve something in your life.